Hi there. You might be quite surprised with the look I chose to do for this video. I was too, just a little bit. Let's just say I got carried away while playing with makeup and this was the result. I'm quite happy with it. I mean, I don't usually go for the dark and colorful looks, but I definitely wear this for a special night out or party. Is it shimmery enough for the holidays? Watch how I did it so you can give it a try too. Toner. Gently all over the face. Serums. For extra bright, glowy skin, even under a lot of makeup. Skincare and makeup in one. Brows. Remember how I did my brows in the previous video? Middle shade all over the brow area. Thinner brush with darker shade for hair strand-like drawings. And some black. This is a level up of my usual brow routine, by the way. Foundation for cleanup. Making the brows look more defined and applying foundation for the rest of the face as well. Using an angled liquid foundation brush so I could be better in control of the application. Lighter foundation for base highlights. So we're contouring a bit, even just with a foundation. Also, if you haven't noticed, doing this gives me better coverage for my freckles and pimple scars. Time for my Rimmel Spice eyeshadow palette. Unlike in the previous video, we'll wet the brush a little bit this time to see how pigmented and how well it blends when wet. As I've said in my previous video, according to the Rimmel website, you can wet their eyeshadows a little bit for better or more pigmented application. I'll add a bit of blue eyeshadow from Australis, just to see if Rimmel and Australis formulas are compatible. I didn't use any eyeshadow primer, by the way. This is my first Rimmel product, the Gold Scandalized Liquid Liner and Eyeshadow. I used this in my fantasy makeup video using the Water palette as well. I'll include links if you haven't seen them yet. A bit of finger tapping to spread it out without wasting the product. Gold and blue. I think it looks good. Glam lashes. Just know that they stick better on top of normal skin or matte eyeliner than on shinies. Mascara for top and bottom. Kajal liner for upper inner eyelid and waterline. Powder all over with either dusted pressed powder or actual loose powder. You decide. Contouring. Having kinda contoured foundation helps guide the powder contour, so yeah, you might want to consider it. I honestly wish I didn't have to contour this much and still look good. Cheek, jaw, hairline, and nose line. Oh. A tiny bit of blush. Creating a blurry glow with light brushings of powder and highlighter. Stronger brush application for actual highlights. And lipstick. Dark red, still not using a lip liner. Some metallic glaze before it dries totally. So yeah, that's pretty much how I did this look. I'm hoping this is a good legal drinking age look for me, so I won't have to get asked for my ID if I wanted to get a few drinks. I hope you liked it. I'll have a few more holiday looks for you, okay? See you next time.